So let us write down the problem. All right, so what we are converting is 125 in base 3. Okay, we are converting to base 10. So what we are converting is to base 10. All right, so we are going to write this thing out. All right, these numbers, so that we are going to solve from there. This is 1, 2, 5. Right, so let us put the digit up there. Okay, so okay, let me bring it down here so that you'll be able to see what I am doing. This is 0. All right, this is 1, and this is 2. All right, remember, we are going to convert to what? To base 10. So what's the first thing you are going to do? So we are going to this is in base 3 already. All right, this is in base 3. Let me write it. This is in base 3. So we are going to be multiplying this with the base. All right, so let me show us what we are going to do. Let us start with this 1 here. All right, let us start with 1. So this is the same thing as saying 1 times this is this 3 here. All right, this is this 3 here. 1 times 3. All right, now raised to power this 2 here. We are still on 1. All right, so you put raised to power what? 2. Let me close the bracket. I will come back to it. All right, this is for 2. All right, this is for 2. Okay, so let's go to the second one, this 2 here. So we have 2 times this 3 here, raised to power 1. Okay, we'll come to that. All right, so the next one here is this 5. All right, I remember for this one is actually for this particular digit 1 here, so we can write 1 here so that you know what you are doing. So the next thing is 5. So we come to 5 times this 3 here, this 3 here. This is raised to power what? 0. 3 raised to power 0 equals what? All right, that is for 0. That is for this place. All right, I hope you are seeing that. Okay, so the next thing now is to get these values now. All right, this is the same thing as saying 3 raised to power 2 is actually 9. So this is the same thing as saying 1 times 9. All right, this equals what? 9. Okay, the next thing is this particular place here. This is the same thing as saying 2 times what? 3. All right, this is the same thing as saying what? 2 times 3. This is the same thing as saying this is the same thing as saying what? 6. Okay, this is the same thing as saying 6. All right, the next one is here. All right, this is same thing as saying 5 times. Now 3 raised to power 0, according to law of indices, anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this same thing as saying 3 raised to power 0 is 1. All right, so this is equal to 5. All right, this is 5. So we are going to sum 9, 6, and 5. All right, to get the final answer. So this is same thing as saying let's say 9 plus 6 plus 5 is what? So 5 plus 6 is 11. All right, 11 plus 9 is actually what? 11 plus 9, that is 20. Okay, so I don't know if you understand this now. This is the best way to actually solve it. This is 20. Remember, we are solving in base 10, so you will now put your answer in what? Base 10. So this is how to actually solve the base number. This is the answer here. All right. So thank you very much.